Hello, my name is Richmond and I'm here to help you digitize in Embird. Please let's start with today's lesson. Today we will learn how to use a select tool. Now the select tool is used to rotate, move and skew objects on your work area. Now to be able to use your select, you need to have an object on your working area. Now your select and transform tool is here. You click on it, then you click on your object. Now to move your object, you hold your left button whilst the object is selected, then you move your mouse like this. So as I'm moving my mouse, now my finger is on the left button as I'm moving my mouse. Now most people don't really know how to use the select tool to rotate or skew designs. And it's very simple. Each corner here is used to rotate your object. Now, to rotate your object, you will put your cursor on one of the corners of your object. Then you will hold the right button. Then you will move your mouse and it will rotate for you. So it depends on where you want or how you want your object to rotate. It's very simple. Most people go to transform to rotate their object, but me, I have learned so many tricks in using Embed to digitize effectively. So you can just use your right click as I've shown you, and you can use any different corner to rotate your object. You just have to right click, then you move your object around using moving your mouse around whilst you have your hands on or the right button. Now to skew your object, you will move your mouse in between these two corners where you have this middle shaded black square here and here too. Those black box is used to skew your designs or your objects. So the same right click, you hold on the right click, then you will move your mouse to skew the object. Now this black or this box here is used to skew your object horizontally, and this one here is used to skew your object vertically. So to skew your object horizontally, you hold the right button, then you move your mouse to skew it horizontally. And you can do that for any shape that you want, either a text or whatever shape that you have, either a circle. I will demonstrate that in this tutorial too. To skew it vertically, the same right button, then you drag your mouse upwards or downwards to skew it. As simple as that. Now others may ask if you can skew text. Let me test here. See, it still have these four corners there, so you can rotate or skew it the same process that we did using your right click. And you can also skew it to horizontally and vertically. You can do that for any object that you want. Let's see circle. You can skew it to any direction that you want, either vertically or horizontally. So this is how to use your select and transform tool. Hello, that's Richmond helping you digitize in Embed. Subscribe to my channel for more future content like this. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.